Hello everyone, welcome to INS Creations Ltd, your go-to channel for creative design tips and tutorials. I am excited to show you how to create a professional and eye-catchy trifold brochure using Canva, a free and easy-to-use design tool. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced designer, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process to ensure your brochure not only looks amazing but also effectively communicates your messages. By the end of this video, you will have to the skill design brochures that stand out and captivate your audience. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our future design tutorials. Now, let's jump into the Canva and get started. After create a page for a trifold brochure, let's go to the element and let's take this rectangle frame and adjust it on the right corner of the page. Now take a text box and type the company name Decor. Change the font style in on tone and make it uppercase. Then from the element, let's search a photo for interior designer. Let's take this photo, adjust it to the frame. Now let's change the color of a decor. Now take another text box and type the subtitle. Change the font style in calligraphy. Give a line spacing and the letter spacing in Decor. Paste the dummy text under subtitle and take another text box and type the web address and give it a letter spacing. Now from the element, let's take this shape and place it like this. Now take another rectangle shape and adjust it on the middle section and change the color in this shade. Change the other colors. Now let's take this rectangle frame and adjust it here. Now take a text box and type the contact details as it is a back page of the brochure. From the element, let's take this line and place it under contact us. Now one by one, type the all details. Adjust all the text box together. Take another text box and type scan for portfolio, and from the element, let's take this QR code and let's take this rectangle shape and adjust the QR code over this. Now adjust the QR code and the shape together. Let's change the color of the items. From the element again, search your interior design picture and let's take this picture and give a frame the border in white. Now take a text box and type about us. Take this frame and adjust it all over the left page and change the picture. And now adjust the about us and place the dummy text under the about us. Make the letter spacing 0. Take a text box and type a quote. Elegant and clean. Change the font style. Give an inverted comma. Take this shape and the text box and move to the second page and type our projects. Let's take this frame and adjust it on the left corner of the second page. From the element, like previously, take this picture and adjust it to the frame. And again make the middle section full with the shapes. Take these two frames and adjust it on the middle section. From the element, let's take these pictures and adjust it with the frame. Take a text box and type the project names. Change the font style. Place the dummy text under the project details. Take this shape and the text together and adjust the projects here. Change the font. Now let's search for a frame and let's take this frame and make it 4 copies and adjust it on the right section. And now let's search for a professional pictures. Let's take these 4 pictures, adjust it. Now take a text box and type the details with every pictures. Now let's take this rectangle shape and place it behind the text. Keep the transparency low. Now adjust all the things. Take a text box and type a quote about a designing firm. Change the font style and take this shape and adjust it behind the quote and adjust the frame on the middle section. Take a text box and type the project name, adjust all the things, and here it is, a trifold brochure for a interior designing firm. If you need this kind of design or any other minimal kind of design or other custom design like flyer design, brochure design, logo design, or any other presentation design, please contact with us. Our contact details in attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creations Ltd.